connection. I am now live. I am excited, and I'm hoping people tune in a little bit. I am going to post this live video later on YouTube, so if you're watching this from YouTube, hi. So today I've got some packages in the mail, so I wanted to do a live unboxing. Hi, Evie. Because I got the hardcover of She's Not Here in the mail, and I am so excited. And not only that, but I also got, I just scared the crap out of my cat. I also got I almost showed you my address, my Once Upon a Book Club box, and it's the Halloween edition one. So I'm gonna actually unbox this so we can, I'm gonna need scissors. Hold on. Don't, stay tuned. I'll just use this big knife. Ooh, that's excessively big. Okay, we're gonna go for, all right. Sorry, this is what happens when we do stuff live. So for those just tuning in, I did get the hardcover version of She's Not Here, and I'm gonna be opening that momentarily, but first I'm gonna be opening my Once Upon a Book Club box. And it is the Halloween edition, so it's not part of my monthly subscription, so I may have bought it extra, but that's okay. And I'll show it to you guys first. Ta-da! Look at how pretty. I love how they package every... Okay, hi. Sorry, Phil just came in.
I'm trying to be quiet. You brought it up.
I know, then I got distracted. So first we have with the little graphic, and it says you should be careful what you believe. And then we have the book itself, which is The Retreat by Mark Edwards. And then, of course, we have some gifts, which I cannot open yet. Ooh, this one's heavy. But for those of you who aren't familiar, the way the book works is that you get a book once a month, and then you reach a certain point in the book, and there'll be a sticky note, like so, that says open the gift. So then you find the corresponding gift, and you open it, and it has to do with what's in the story. So it's really awesome. I love it. Ooh. Oh, I really can't wait to open this one. But I'm reading their other one right now. So without further ado, since I have a few of you guys on now, I'm going to be officially unboxing the hardcover version of She's Not Here. And just to compare, I also have the softcover version so we can kind of compare and contrast. So I'm just gonna dig right in. If anyone is excited, hit the little like heart button. Okay, here we go. All right, you guys ready? I really hope it's perfect because it's like I've already published it technically. All right, here it is. It's hardcover. It's beautiful. It stands up on its own. It's got a little dust jacket. Oh, but let's look at the spine. Let's look at the back. It's just so pretty. Let's look at the inside flap. I'm legit. I have an inside flap. Oh, that was weird. All right, sorry. I got a phone call, so it like paused for a second there. But yes, so the hardcover version of She's Not Here, as well as the softcover version, they are beautiful. But my favorite part is that when you open it, this is what is there to greet you. And then open it again, and it's there. So right now, you can pre-order the hardcover version of She's Not Here, as well as the softcover, as well as the ebook. And when you pre-order it, there's a little form in my bio that if you fill out that form, you can get a free signed book plate that plops right, let's see, it'll plop right on this page here, so you can have it signed by myself. And you also get a coupon for AuthorTube Academy, as well as you enter an amazing contest. So I teamed up with some amazing people for this contest. We have a custom book sleeve designed by Fandom Book Sleeves, as you can see right there. She designed it specifically for She's Not Here, so I helped her pick out the fabric, so it matches, oh God, in case you wanted to know what my ceiling looked like. So it matches the fabric, and also the inside matches the font color. So you just slide your soft cover book in there, and it keeps it nice and safe. And as well as winning this, you could also win 2 candles that are designed by that bookish, oh God, I'm blanking on her username. She has an Instagram. I'll link it down below when this is a YouTube video. But, so you can win this, 2 custom candles as well as a custom bookmark. So that is when you pre-order the book as well as getting the signed book plates. And I saw a question in here somewhere. Do the signed book plates get sent to everyone who entered? Yes. So as long as you fill out the form, you will get a signed book plate, which is why I have the address thing. So everyone who pre-orders a book and fills out the form gets a signed book plate. Only one person will win the little prize pack with the book sleeve and the 2 candles and the bookmark. So yeah, everyone gets a signed book plate and everyone gets a AuthorTube Academy coupon. So yeah, it's just so exciting. I'm like super excited. So I've got a hardcover book. This is the first time one of my books has been in hardcover, and I love it and I can't wait. And it's so different, and I like having it in matte, and my cat's making a cameo. Let's see. This is Moon. You may have seen him yesterday when I was trying to read. But yeah, I'm just so excited. We've got a hardcover book, guys, and we are 5 days away. 5 days away until this book comes out. Yeah, 5 days away, and I finally get the hardcover version in. But yeah, so the shipping for the hardcovers takes a little bit longer. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. It really does look amazing in matte. Yes, I know, I'm so happy. So again, I'm just gonna we have the soft cover, beautiful, and the hardcover, also beautiful. Actually, slightly more beautiful. But yeah. Oh God, this is just my life. The phone's not ringing. So I'm gonna end this live stream. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to, just pre-order the book and make sure you fill out the pre-order form as well so you can get your free signed book plate. And that's it. Have a lovely, lovely Thursday.